Hey, we gotta do this.
You got
Who's
it.
this called?
Harlem Shake.
The Harlem Shake. Hey, who's ready to do the Harlem Shake?
Let's do it. I can't do it.
Shots.
Bubble. Mike Jones, guest star for homie DJ Ferris. Boy Davis in the building, man. It's off the chain right now.
He's drooling all over the motherfucking
Get
place.
your tickets now to the That started Rock Nation recording artist J. Cole.